It is indeed a pleasure having you all here again. Today is the 15th of September 2022, and as usual, we are going to talk about the market. This is market analysis, and we are going to see how we can take advantage of the market. Please kindly note that for this video, the information you're going to be getting should not be used as a form of signal, but strictly for educational purposes, right? So with that said, Tolu Olatunji is the name, CSA Forex, Common Sense Approach to Forex Trading. Now, what I would say that has been happening since Tuesday after we had the bullish feedback from the CPI. The US dollar was extremely bullish, and of course, that made the majors and gold to react accordingly. But ever since we had the movement from Tuesday, you'll notice something that the dollar Sweezy, as an example, went into a range mode. You could also call it a form of exhaustion, right? And then with that said, Euro USD did the same thing, went into its form of range, consolidation, sideways action. And then the Aussie, the Kiwi, as you can see here, the Aussie doing the same thing, Kiwi doing the same thing, even the dollar yen too on the long term doing the same thing, dollar card doing the same thing. And of course, with that said, as it's ranging, the next thing that we should be expecting should be a breakout, right? Whenever the market tends to range, then we should be expecting a breakout at the end of the day. And that breakout should come later today. I repeat, that breakout should come later today, as we'll be having the core retail sales. We're going to be having some key data at 1:30 p.m. UK time. So another heads up for you listening to me, take heed now, as the key data will be coming out by 1:30 p.m. UK time, majorly for the US dollar, right? So the retail sales as well, core retail sales and the rest, we need to pay attention to them, especially this time of the day, as fresh volatility is going to be introduced to the market. Now, with that said, that is all I have for you. This is just a quick video just to highlight what has been happening this week. Just in case you haven't gotten any entry like myself, exercise patience, sit on your hands if there's no directional bias. And of course, something sooner or later would pop up. And of course, it will be a no-brainer than to take it. All right, so with that said, thank you guys. Enjoy the rest of the day. Trade safely. Have any questions, comment in the section below. If the video was good enough for you, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do already. You don't need to be told. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you guys, and goodbye for now.